What if you could create a blog post in just 15 minutes? What if you could write a social media post that gets 1,000 likes? Or what if you could answer all of your emails without lifting a finger? Well, I'm excited to tell you that there's a way for you to automate your content creation. That's right, artificial intelligence AI content generator tools can help you create high-quality content in minutes, not hours. These tools use artificial intelligence to understand your audience and write content that is relevant, engaging, and informative. So, if you're looking to save time and improve your content marketing, then AI content generator tools are the perfect solution for you. But how do they work? And what are the best AI content generator tools on the market? In this video, we're unveiling the 8 best AI content generator tools of 2023 that are revolutionizing the way we write and create. So, whether you're a blogger, a marketer, or an entrepreneur, this video is for you. ChatGPT. Imagine you're a busy content creator trying to brainstorm ideas for your next blog post. Instead of staring at a blank screen, you can simply feed your thoughts into ChatGPT and watch as it generates coherent and engaging content right before your eyes. The best part? It adapts its writing style to match the tone you're aiming for, whether it's professional, casual, or even humorous. But here's the real game changer. ChatGPT doesn't just write on its own. It collaborates with you, enhancing your creative process. You can have a virtual brainstorming session bouncing ideas off ChatGPT and refining them together. Social media management can be a time-consuming task, but with ChatGPT, crafting attention-grabbing captions becomes a breeze. Whether you're posting about a new product launch or sharing an inspirational quote, ChatGPT helps you capture your audience's attention in a language that resonates with them. So, if you're looking to enhance your content creation process, engage your audience, and make your writing more conversational and relatable, ChatGPT is the AI tool you've been waiting for. Jasper. Next on our list is Jasper, a user-friendly AI tool that's like having your very own content sidekick. You know how important headlines are in capturing your audience's attention. Jasper takes the guesswork out of headline creation. Simply input a few keywords or the essence of your content, and Jasper will generate a range of attention-grabbing headlines. No more staring at a blank screen wondering how to make your title pop. Structuring your content for maximum impact can be a daunting task. But with Jasper, it becomes a breeze. This tool suggests logical sections and outlines, helping you organize your thoughts coherently. Whether it's a blog post, an article, or even a presentation, Jasper ensures your content flows seamlessly from one point to the next. In a world where quality content is paramount, Jasper steps in as your trusty sidekick, ensuring your writing process is efficient and your content is compelling. With its user-friendly interface and collaborative approach, Jasper is here to revolutionize the way you create. Rytr. We've all been there staring at a blank screen, struggling to find the right words. With Rytr by your side, those days are over. This AI tool serves as your creative muse, helping you generate content that's not only well-crafted but also engaging. Crafting blog posts can be time-consuming, especially when you're stuck on how to structure your content. Rytr's got your back here as well. It assists you in outlining your articles, suggesting subheadings and key points to cover. This means you can focus on the creative part, knowing that Rytr has already set the foundation. Personalized emails are essential for effective communication, whether you're reaching out to clients or responding to inquiries. Rytr takes the stress out of email composition by offering suggestions and templates that fit the tone and purpose of your message. Rytr truly embodies the role of a writing partner. Copy.ai. Think about all the time you spent crafting the perfect ad copy or product description. With Copy.ai, that time can be drastically reduced. This AI-powered tool is designed to help you create copy that not only grabs attention, but also compels readers to take action. Let's say you're launching a new product and you need a captivating tagline. With Copy.ai, you simply input a few details about your product and its benefits, and voila! Copy.ai generates a range of taglines that convey the essence of your product in a compelling way. Product descriptions are another crucial aspect of sales. Copy.ai streamlines this process by providing you with various versions of product descriptions. You can choose the one that best aligns with your brand and speaks to your target audience. Copy.ai's ability to generate persuasive copy is truly impressive. PepperType. We all know that in the world of content creation, originality is key. PepperType understands that and offers a refreshing approach to content generation. PepperType boasts an array of content styles that span various niches and tones. Whether you're writing a formal business report or a lighthearted blog post, PepperType tailors its suggestions to match the style you're aiming for. But here's where it gets really interesting. PepperType isn't just an automated content generator. It's a tool that encourages customization. You can tweak the content suggestions to align perfectly with your brand voice and style. With PepperType in your toolkit, your content creation process becomes an exciting journey of exploration and creativity. Writerzen. Imagine writing in an environment that encourages focus and tranquility. Writerzen offers just that. As you compose your content, you'll find yourself immersed in a distraction-free space designed to enhance your writing process. The interface is clean and minimalistic, allowing you to concentrate solely on your thoughts and words. No clutter, no distractions, just you and your ideas flowing effortlessly onto the screen. But that's not all. Writerzen adapts to your preferences. You can customize the background font and even ambient sounds to create a writing atmosphere that resonates with you. This level of personalization contributes to a harmonious writing experience. And let's not forget Writerzen's AI-powered suggestions. When you encounter a creative roadblock, Writerzen steps in with prompts, ideas, and even structure suggestions, gently guiding you back to your flow. ContentBot.ai. Imagine having a writing partner that grasps the essence of your ideas and helps you transform them into compelling content. ContentBot.ai does just that. Whether you're a seasoned writer or new to content creation, this tool is designed to make your journey smoother and more rewarding. Starting a new article can sometimes feel overwhelming. With ContentBot.ai, you can generate detailed outlines based on your chosen topic. These outlines serve as a roadmap, ensuring you cover all the important points while maintaining a coherent structure. But here's what sets ContentBot.ai apart. It's not just about generating content, it's about collaboration. You can edit, refine, and customize the content suggestions to match your voice and style. It's like having a trusted co-writer who adapts to your needs. It bridges the gap between your ideas and the final product, ensuring your content resonates with your audience and leaves a lasting impact. Frase. In the digital age, creating content that not only resonates with your audience but also gets noticed by search engines is essential. Frase takes the guesswork out of this process by providing you with valuable insights and suggestions that elevate your content strategy. Understanding what users are searching for is the foundation of effective SEO. Frase delves into search intent, analyzing the queries users enter into search engines. It then helps you create content that directly addresses those queries, ensuring your content is both relevant and valuable. Keywords play a crucial role in SEO, and Frase helps you find the right ones. It suggests a range of relevant keywords that you can incorporate into your content naturally. This boosts your chances of ranking higher on search engine results. With Frase in your corner, you're equipped with the tools to create content that not only engages your audience, but also attracts organic traffic from search engines. So, which of these tools caught your attention? Have you tried any of them yet, or are you excited to explore some new ones? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, click the next video shown on the screen. I'm sure you'll love it. Thanks for watching.